Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create Instagram collaboration posts within the High Level Social Planner. This is super exciting, so let's dive right in. Now, Instagram collaboration posts can be super powerful, especially if you can schedule them. So you can do this with the Social Planner in High Level by navigating to Marketing, then Social Planner, and whenever you go to create a new post on the right-hand side by clicking Create New Post, then you can select your Instagram account, just like this. And then after you write your post here, we can scroll down under our Instagram options to post this as a feed or a reel and invite collaborators by entering their Instagram username here. Now keep in mind, you can't do this for stories, only for feeds and reels, and that's normal. That's how Instagram is supposed to function. And all you have to do to invite a collaborator is simply by entering their username, by putting @ and then typing in their username and clicking enter, just like that. And as you can see on the right side in our preview, it's going to say your username and the other creator that you're collaborating with. Now, a couple things to know if you've never used an Instagram collaboration post is, first of all, the collaborator does need to approve the post before it actually gets posted to their page as well. But whenever they do approve the post, this can be a really powerful feature because it'll post the reel to both your audience and their audience. So you can get more reach, and using High Level, you can schedule it out so you can automate even more of your social media process. This is super exciting. I love this feature. I hope you found this video helpful. And of course, thank you very much for watching.